Since Facebook changed its corporate name to Meta and launched the Metaverse, making money online expanded to include a whole new section in the realm of decentralized finance, or DeFi for short. Meta's Metaverse, also known as Oculus or Horizon Worlds, is not today's subject since it is not decentralized or on the Ethereum network, nor the first Metaverse created. However, the move by the technology giant did shed a strong light on existing metaverses built on the decentralized Ethereum network, such as Decentraland, Roblox, and Sandbox. It woke up other tech giants such as Microsoft, which is well on its way to creating a business-oriented metaverse designed to reintroduce the world of corporate office administration, meetings, and management. Today, I will decipher the secrets of making money from decentralized metaverses on the Ethereum network. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel where we will tell you all about business, entrepreneurship, and personal finance. In today's video, we're going to talk about the best ways to make money from and within the metaverse. If you want to find out more, stay with us till the end of the video. Before we start, don't forget to hit like, subscribe to our channel, and hit the notification button for more amazing videos. Let's first define the metaverse. It is an online virtual world designed and evolving to imitate everything in the real world. You can easily access it by simply signing up. You do have the choice of using your PC screen to enter it, but for the full experience, I recommend that you use a virtual reality headset. Here's a cool fact about the metaverse. It's becoming Web3 because it's a lot like today's internet, aka Web 2, but in a three-dimensional digital world instead. What you can do in the metaverse is literally unlimited. You can go to a concert, you can have a meeting, you can play games with your friends or strangers, you can buy or rent real estate, open a shop or company, advertise, sell, buy, provide services, trade cryptocurrencies, and even start a construction company. The list goes on and on. In a nutshell, if you can do it in the real world, you can probably do it in the metaverse. All transactions within the metaverse are done using cryptocurrencies, so it is quite imperative that you have some background and access to cryptocurrencies before you proceed with plans to make money from the metaverse. I also recommend getting the MetaMask extension installed. Alright, let's get into the serious stuff. How to make money from, or rather within, the metaverse. Number 1. Non-fungible tokens. Many people are creating all sorts of digital art but struggling to sell it as an NFT in the NFTs marketplace, so they turn to the metaverses. The idea here is simple. Join the metaverse, rent or buy a shop or art gallery, or collaborate with others who already have the infrastructure ready and would market your NFTs in return for interest. And that's it. You are set and selling your NFTs in the metaverse. Right now, selling NFTs in the metaverse is a big hit. Even renowned artists are joining and selling their masterpieces within it. Please keep in mind that many of the sellers in the metaverse are actually not artists and have not created NFTs, but rather resellers. Hence, you too can become a reseller. Number 2. Selling virtual raw materials in the metaverse. Voxels are virtual building blocks like construction bricks or raw materials that are used for manufacturing. You can buy voxels inside and outside the metaverse. They are used for creating other items within the metaverse. Think of them as a 3D pixel that can be combined with other voxels to make buildings, clothing, cars, gaming gear, wearables, and other metaverse items. Making all sorts of stuff from voxels and selling them in the metaverse is definitely a huge hit and can be very lucrative. Getting online info on how to build using voxels is easy and straightforward. There are also several platforms that make it an easy ride. Keep in mind that constructing simple stuff is easy and affordable, but constructing big buildings is complex and expensive. Number 3. Become an architect within the metaverse. As I said, building complex stuff such as buildings and stadiums in the metaverse is unlike building simple stuff. It's hard. However, it can be a goldmine for developers. There are groups of developers who established construction businesses in the metaverse. They specialize in helping others build buildings and other complex structures. These programmers act in the metaverse like architects in the real world, and they make big money. So the metaverse might be something new to you or seem straight out of this world, but if you have even some limited programming experience, you can generate pretty good money running a construction or interior design company within the metaverse. Number 4. Real estate. The business of buying, selling, trading, and renting land and buildings in the metaverse might be a little expensive, however, it is a booming business. Real estate has been booming for the major virtual world metaverses such as Decentraland and Sandbox. Because of this, virtual real estate companies have been popping up. You can start by becoming a real estate broker or agent and make a decent commission. Number 5. Advertising. You won't believe this, but some companies in the real world are advertising in the metaverse for their real-world products, such as Nike. Just like in the real world, you can create advertisement platforms or space in the metaverse. People in the metaverse use their buildings and shops for neon and other types of signage to advertise virtual and real-world products, etc. So if you have some experience in marketing, you can probably start a virtual marketing agency within the metaverse and apply your skills to make some good cash. Number 6. Rentals. Just like in the real world, people in the metaverse do need to rent cars, bikes, storage space, buildings, apartments, land, gaming gear, you name it. So find your niche and start renting people whatever you choose as your product. Lots of things in the metaverse can be expensive, so the trick is to make your rental rates affordable and attractive. Number 7. Gaming. Gaming is perhaps the backbone of the metaverse. It is a massive industry. If you're an experienced gamer, you can probably profit. You can build or have someone build for you a game in Decentraland or Sandbox. Hell, you can even build a casino or an arcade. The demand for gaming gear, costumes, and more within the metaverse can be lucrative if you are a gamer and know the needs of other gamers. Illuvium is a gaming metaverse on the Ethereum network similar to Warcraft. It is a great place to start. Gaming is such a big hit in the metaverse, many games have their own cryptocurrencies. This makes it possible to profit just from knowing what games will be trending in the metaverse soon and which cryptocurrency they will use. Buy their cryptocurrency before launch and reap the profits later. Number 8. Fashion. When you enter the metaverse, you have very few choices in terms of avatars. However, people are going nuts within the metaverse in buying virtual stylish clothes to customize the appearance of their avatars. Hence, starting a fashion and custom clothes design business within the metaverse can be a hit, especially for stylish people or those with a background in the fashion industry. Virtual clothes are also NFTs, so guess what? You can sell them once you're bored with them. Number 9. Start a small business. Starting or buying a small business, such as a shop in the metaverse, can be great and relatively inexpensive. One of the main aspects of the metaverse is the fact that it is a meeting place. It allows anyone from anywhere to simply put on their virtual reality headset, plug into the metaverse, and meet people. Socializing requires venues. You can open a karaoke or stand-up comedy bar. Another money-making idea that falls into the small business category is events planning. This one requires you to have a venue in the metaverse for holding small concerts that involve real-world bands. Keep in mind that you have to work in the real world in order to convince bands to join the metaverse, put on their headsets, and perform in your venue. Profits will come from ticket sales and marketing. Number 10. Get a job within the metaverse. Yep, you can visit existing businesses in the metaverse and apply for jobs. Some people can make up to $2,000 a month working about 50 hours a week for businesses within the metaverse. Is that crazy or what? So happy hunting and good luck. And please do your homework before investing money and time in anything online. Would you like to learn more about business, entrepreneurship, and personal finance? Click on one of the videos that showed up on the left or go to our channel to find other interesting topics.